Hi there everyone, thank you for joining our demo on flexible bags this year at Pack Expo Connects. This is certainly different than how Pack Expo usually operates, but we still appreciate your time and look forward to chatting with you after the demo. Feel free to ask any questions in the chat box and I'll address them in the Q&A after the demo has concluded. While we're waiting for everyone to get settled in the chat room, I'd like to take a moment to tell you a bit about our company, Fallas Automation. Fallas Automation celebrated our 40th anniversary last year. Dedication to machine quality and customer service are key reasons Fallas has been successful for so long. Fallas started with semi-automatic case packers in the 1980s and adapted to the rapidly changing technologies and expanded our catalog of machinery. Today we provide fully integrated end-of-line case packing solutions for a variety of products, all with sophisticated yet simple technologies such as Industry 4.0, predictive maintenance, key state-of-the-art safety features, and more. Markets, machinery, and customer needs have changed. Our heritage of constructing machinery to the highest quality standards and providing the most value to our customers has stayed constant. As we have grown and expanded our product offerings, Fallas Automation has become known as an expert in case packing flexible bags. Flexible bags offer unique challenges when compared to rigid or semi-rigid containers. Incorrect handling can lead to splits or tears, resulting in costly downtime to implement cleanup procedures. That's why it is important to minimize product handling from the start. A Fallas system begins with conveying your product immediately after it is sealed. This gives us total control of product orientation, eliminating the need for costly vision systems or additional robots to correct product skew. To accommodate a variety of plant layouts, products, and customer needs, Fallas Automation offers a variety of modular units to provide a successful end-of-line packaging system. The G400 Gravity Drop Case Packer is the first case packer we proposed for flexible bags with simple pack patterns. The G400 is constructed of stainless steel for use in wet environments and is perfect for liquids, sauces, IQF, and any other loose-filled bags. The G400 maintains constant control of the product with the use of our patented Bullnose Bombay system. The main advantage of our gravity drop machine compared to others on the market is the Bullnose belt itself. The Bullnose belt pulls back for each bag, giving you the ability to space product apart or shingle product together for tighter pack patterns. Positioning of the bags does not rely on friction, which is unpredictable depending on environmental variables such as moisture, powder, temperature, etc. After the product pack pattern is built, the Bombay doors open and the product is funneled into the case, maintaining a uniform pack pattern. The vertically adjustable case conveyor allows you to minimize the distance the product is dropped into the box, giving you uniform bag orientation and preventing product damage. For overfilled cases, Fallas Automation offers the model CVT700, full case vibrator with a top tamper. The CVT700 vibrates and tamps the product in the case, pushing the product below the score line, where the product can then be sealed by the Fallas model CS400 case top closer sealer, available in tape and glue. Offering flexibility with quick changeovers and a user-friendly operator interface, the G400 is a simple solution for loading flexible bags into shipper cases. As pack patterns get more complex, the R700 Adabot is the ideal flexible solution. The Adabot utilizes a vacuum pick head to pick bags off the product conveyor and place them anywhere in the case and rotate the product if required, allowing infinite pack patterns. The Adabot is a patented Fallas 4-axis robot that allows further reach and additional flexibility. The robot itself is constructed of lightweight carbon fiber to maximize payload and speed, while the rotational end of the arm tooling allows it to produce many different pack patterns and place product anywhere in the case. Recipes are added to the machine by simply choosing a pack pattern from the user-friendly HMI. The Adabot was also designed with growth in mind. If production needs increase beyond the capability of a single robot, another robot can be added in the field to increase product throughput. In other words, you can just add a bot. Between the ability to add robots in the field and the numerous end-of-arm tooling options, the Autobot is capable of scaling with your needs and adapting to packaging changes in the future. Finally, I would like to introduce the Fallas Duo. Retail-ready packaging and shelf-ready packaging have become more complex, with SKUs multiplying and space becoming a bigger concern than ever. Fallas Automation has listened to our customers and created a new machine to simplify factory processes. The Fallas Duo is compatible with any of the above solutions, as it is the first machine in the industry that is able to erect both RSCs and flat blanks on the same machine. This option is for companies who serve both big box retailers and food service, or desire added flexibility in their case packing lines. If you are thinking about implementing automation in your plant, don't put it off. Automating your end-of-line operations can be the single most important thing you can do to add consistency to your line, reduce product damage, and save money on personnel costs. So just get started. Think of one area in your plant that would benefit the most from automation, and schedule a custom consultation to find out how to increase your production and improve your bottom line. With that, I know we have had some questions entered into the chat, so let's address a few now.